Next question is from Brian. Brian says, is there a way to access Google Business site for clients? Ever since they changed the interface, I can't find a way to add or edit the content. And for new clients, there's no way to create a business site. Yeah, I think I've seen recently that for new Google Business profiles, I don't see a way to, I've seen in a couple of profiles, not all of them, but a couple of them that you're right, there's no way to even create the site that I'm aware of. The buttons are missing. But let me just pull up something real quick, and I'll grab the screen in just a minute. But I've got a YouTube video on a channel that I just added last week or maybe 2 weeks ago about how to access from the new SERP manager, right? So Google Business Profile, they're forcing us to manage the profile in the search results page now, or you can do it from Maps too, I think. I always do it through the Google Business, or excuse me, the search engine results page in Google. But I did a video, it's on our YouTube channel, about how to access the old profile manager from the new SERP feature, right? But I'll just show you how to do that right now live, okay? So sorry, let me grab the screen if I can figure out how to work Zoom. It's like my first time. All right, so here's my here's one of my Google Business profiles, right? So if we click into Edit Profile, so you just do a brand search in Google Search, okay? And it should pop this if you're logged into the account that manages it, or an account that manages it. Then you click on Edit Profile, and you scroll down to the website section. You click Edit. Right there is where you manage your Google Business website. This brings you into the old profile manager. See that? This is the old profile manager. So once again, just because I know I went quickly, go do a brand search, be logged into an account that is managing that Google Business profile. Do a brand search. This should pop up. Once it pops up, you click Edit Profile. You're going to scroll down to the website section. Click to edit. Right there, you'll see you have created a website with Google. You click Manage, and that takes you into the old profile manager. Here's where you can edit it. You can edit the themes, you edit the content, change the URL, all that kind of stuff. Does that make sense? So that's the way that you do it. However, as I agree, I have seen on a couple, not many, but I have seen on a couple of profiles recently that this is not even there. And I don't see a way to add it either. So perhaps Google's going to go, take that away from us, and maybe they will. And if so, so be it. I've used the hell out of it for the last few years. Still to this day, use a lot for link building and everything else. But if they take it away from us, so be it. We move on, Hopefully that was helpful.